Hi everyone, so I have two pieces of charcoal here. I have a thinner one here. This is actually Conte crayon. It's very much like charcoal. It's got a little bit of wax in it. This one is a regular compressed charcoal. So you can see I've sharpened them. And I'm just going to show you how I can get a wide range of line quality out of these. So I'm going to hold the charcoal like this, and then you see I can do a really thin line, very fine. I can go thicker, darker, just by turning, pushing, pressing a little harder. I'm still holding it like this. You don't want to hold it like this. You want to hold it so that you can move your whole arm through and be expressive. You know, move your line, do some interesting things with it. So here's this one, larger, a little darker. See, the minute I put it down, it's a little darker. So having a couple charcoals really helps to give you even more range in your line quality. So you want to feel very free and relaxed when you're drawing with these tools.